Hello and welcome to my channel FunSome. Today I have the LEGO Star Wars Stormtrooper helmet, set number 75276. The piece count is 647 and this is ages 18 and up. Oh wait, I can't do this set, I'm not 18. Well guys, thanks for watching and I'm gonna do a Duplo set. Hit the like and subscribe button. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna review this box, and on the front of the box we have this red hue, which I like. This black stand looks pretty cool, and so does the label. Now on the side of the box we have a Stormtrooper helmet, 40th anniversary, the Empire Strikes Back logo. And then on the back of this box we have another picture of the Stormtrooper helmet height, and two pictures of the actual Stormtrooper. Now I'm going to open this box, show you what's inside, and then gonna do a speed build and then review this box. See you in a bit. Okay, let's open the box. We have bag number 2, bag number 1, bag number 5, bag number, we have a sticker sheet, bag number 4, and the booklet, and then bag 3. So it looks like here we have 5 bags, and the sticker sheet and a booklet. Sticker sheet, we have the vents and then the mouth. So now I'm gonna do the speed build. See you in a bit. Okay, I have finished the Stormtrooper helmet. The first thing I want to say in this review is that the helmet is smaller than I thought. Like, way smaller. I thought it'd be able to fit my head or something. The helmet does have a nice curvature on the helmet, except I do wish they would add a 2x2 round right here to give it a bit more curvature. In some parts of the helmet you can see what's inside the helmet, like under the white, black, and etc. Like in the nose, if you look closely, you can see this yellow and light blue, so that's kind of annoying. I'm not so sure, but I don't really like that part. Here's the helmet compared to a Stormtrooper. It's to a Stormtrooper, it makes it look big, but without a Stormtrooper, kind of small still. Here's a look. On the Stormtrooper, the air vent right here has 8 lines on it. The Lego used a lot of small parts, like for the curvature. You can see 1x1s everywhere, 1x2s. That's mainly the stuff you see in this build. The side where the vents were, like I said, were kind of confusing to build. As you see here, we have this 1x2 piece in the middle of a 1x3 piece, and that's kind of odd if you're not that familiar with Lego, but you're kind of familiar with it. Am I putting this that way? No. Put the stickers on after you're done building. That's what I want to say. Because these, well, he can breathe. You got to align these stickers here to the printed 2x2, so it doesn't look funny and weird. I do like the black stand. Do you like the printed piece for the sign? As you can see, the square shape, and then over here we have that, what is it, 4x4, I don't know what that piece is called, but that looks cool. We have a miniature one in here. So I like the stand. Here we just have a simple bottom, 6x6 with 4 studs on each corner. The helmet is take-offable, although like you can like take the helmet off. Although I do consider you to not do that, because these 2 circular things will not come off with the helmet. They are attached to the stand. The playability on this set, there is no playability. It's for display only. The only complaint I do have on the set is the eyes. If you can see, we have this like dip here where it's not exactly aligned with the rest of the eye, so I do not like that. If you look closely, you can see it, but from afar it looks like it's aligned. I do like this round piece on the ear a lot, and I find it amusing. I know that sounds kind of funny, but when you think of Lego, what do you think of? I think of a block, you know, blocky, studded shape, right? And here, it's totally the opposite. Smooth, round. That's I find that very amusing. I hope they do keep making more of these. And that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.